What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Virgin Galactic Holdings with the ticker symbol SPCE. Remember that if you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Before we begin, please take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate all those who have already subscribed and liked my videos. Just a reminder that this video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. We will start out the technical analysis by going over what I see on the daily chart and potential price targets. Then we'll take a quick look on the weekly chart to wrap it all up. So SPCE looks like it had a crazy sell-off today because it trapped a bunch of long traders and used their stop losses to bring the market down. Pretty much for a couple of months now, I've been saying SPCE is going to be going down to like the $14 or $15 level. And looks like it's been playing out pretty much when the prices were way up here, even in the mid 30s or even the mid 40s. I pretty much set it back over here, and so slowly but surely it's been trickling down. It's been in this small range for quite a long time. I'll show you guys that right now, and now it looks like it's finally breaking out. So this is the range that I'm talking about. Price is just moving sideways in it, and then it had a breakout, came back to retest it, found resistance, and sold off. So I still see that this channel is in play. So if I just drag it up right here, let me adjust this a little better for you guys. So I'm gonna change the color to yellow also, so it doesn't blend in with this range that I drew. And we just drag this up. So it looks like that's the spiking channel working lower. So let's make this yellow, and then let's make the spike blue, so then you could see the difference. So here's the spike down, and then we went in a flatter channel. So usually these spikes are unsustainable, so that's why we go into a flatter, more healthier trend. So once prices got back to the lower side of the channel, usually prices will work up to the resistance side of the channel, and that's where it was slowly coming to. It bounced off there, and then we had this slight break outside. Let me zoom in. So we had this slight break outside, so it's showing signs of weakness on the market. So this could be the final push lower, but I doubt it because these measured moves still show lower prices coming. So this is the first leg down right here, and then we had a huge pullback. And since the market moves in twos, I'm gonna move this right at the top of that pullback, and then I'm gonna put a horizontal line of where I think the prices can be going next. So it looks like it could be trying to reach that $9.50 level. I'm pretty sure you guys are saying that's crazy, but just wait and see, it can happen. So let's do another measured move. So I see this leg down too, and then we had a little correction up, and then we started the resumption of the down move. So it looks like it's at the $7 level. So right around the $8 to $10 level, I believe prices will reach this confluence here. And also because if I zoom in again, I said that these gaps would be filled in my previous video, and it looks like it's being filled right now. So this one's already filled right here, this circle, and then looks like this gap is remaining. So it looks like they'd probably want to fill this. If they're going to come all the way over here, I believe they're going to come down here. So I believe with high certainty we're going to reach that low $17 level, and possibly even stop this person out who went long right here, and who has the stop losses here right around that $14 level. So I still expect lower prices to come, but there is showing signs of weakness. So if we reach these prices, I would expect a reversal from around here, a pretty good one too. So we just gotta wait for that, especially since there looks like is a support level right around this $14 level. I'll put a horizontal line for there, and if we just zoom to the left, you can see that there's plenty of support at this level, but I believe they will probably break out, fake out breakout just to trap in the shorts, and believe they will continue lower, but then just reverse on them and take them out and ride the wave up. So that's why I think that could happen. So just to sum it all up on the daily chart, there's a spike in channel down. We just had a breakout from a range, so it looks like it's going down to the targets that prices want to reach, because price action is not random. Anybody who says technical analysis doesn't work does not know what they're talking about. It doesn't work for them because they don't know how to read the chart. So there are people who are on Wall Street or these hedge funds who make money, right? 99% of people lose money, but the 1% who do, they know how to read the chart, and they know how to control their emotions, right? It's mostly mental too, so you can't get that wrong either. So you gotta learn to read the chart and understand what these prices are doing and where they're going. It's not random. If you have done this long enough, you'll believe it too. Once you start making good predictions and you become better and better at it, you definitely believe that this is not random and everything is. You can see it on the chart. What's gonna happen next? That doesn't mean it's 100% guaranteed, right? Because the next week later we could just reverse from here, and that could tell me something too, like. Maybe this move wasn't strong enough and we could be going somewhere else, and maybe we might pull back up to here if we start trending up. But I don't think that happening as of right now, and the clues that the price is giving me looks like we're probably going to continue lower to these targets that I discussed earlier. So that's pretty much everything on the daily chart. So let's go ahead and wrap it up on the weekly chart. So on the weekly chart, it looks like the stock is just inside of a huge range. So let me mark that out for you guys right now. So it looks like these are the lows of the range right here, and these are the highs. Every time we come up to these $57 level, we sell off. Every time we come back down to the $16, $15 level, we bounce. So that's a range, and this midline is acting as support and resistance. As you can see here, we got a touch right here, and then we got a touch right here. So we got a resistance right here. So it's acting as support and resistance. We got a kind of support right here. So right around this midline is acting as support and resistance. So I believe prices will eventually reach this lows right here of the range. So we just got to wait for that. So that's my analysis for SPCE. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised on what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.